With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given? The angle of the prism is 60 degree and refractive index is under root 2. Now the angle of the minimum deviation suffered by a ray of light passing through it, we need to find the value. Okay, so let us draw, let's say this is our prism. Okay, now let's assume that this is a light ray which is coming. Okay, so this is the incident light ray. Now at the time of this minimum deviation, for the condition of minimum deviation, the refracted ray into the prism, this would become parallel to the base. So it would be basically becoming parallel to the base. So it would be like this. Okay, becoming parallel to the base. And then what will happen? So then after that it would move in this direction. Okay, so this is our angle of incidence, let's say I. This would be our angle of refraction, let's say R1, and this is this would be angle, this would be the incident. So we can just say this to be R2. We just take the angles inside the prism as R1 and R2, and this would be the angle of emergence. Okay, so at the time of minimum deviation, this would be becoming parallel. So for example, if mu is the refractive index of the prism and A is the angle of the prism, this angle is A. So how are, and the delta m, what would be the delta m? If we just extend this line and if we backward proceed this line, so this would be our delta m. This is the angle of the minimum deviation. Okay, so connecting all these things, our refractive index is given as to be mu would be equals to sine A plus delta m divided by 2 divided by sine A by 2. Okay, so this is the standard formula for the case of minimum deviation. Now what is the refractive index? It is given as to be root 2. Now sine, what is the value of A? A value is given as to be 60. So it would be 60 plus delta m divided by 2 divided by sine A by 2. A is 60. So A by 2 would be 30. So we just write sine 30. Now we can just cross multiply, then our sine 60 plus delta m divided by 2. This would become square root 2 times sine of 30. Now what is sine of 30? It is 1 by 2. Now if we just take the multiplication here, so it would be 1 divided by root 2. Now what is 1 divided by root 2 in terms of sine? So we know that sine 45 degree is basically 1 by root 2. Now we can substitute the angles here. So that means our 60 plus delta m by 2, 60 plus delta m divided by 2. If we equate the angles of sine, this case and in this case, so we can get the values as this would be 45 degrees. So this is 60 degree. So we can say that 60 degree plus delta m, this would be our 90 degree, 2 multiplied by this 45. So correspondingly our delta m would turn out to be, delta m would be 30 degrees. So this is the minimum deviation. So which is the correct option? B is the correct option, 30 degrees. Hope you understood this solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.